On 16th of September, a show cause notice was issued from Divisional Forest Officer East Division to Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, over the involvement in illegal sand supply business chain. As part of notice, the concerned authorities seek explanation and clarification from the accused by 22nd of September. Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, had possessed an attitude of working from their own way of style, ranging from extraction easy money from the sand suppliers, unloading free sands to their residents, and many more. Due to the attitude of working from their way of style, the video of Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, taking money from the sand suppliers was surfaced and went viral on social media platforms. Therefore, Bikram Rongpi, DFO of Bikram East Division, under the supervision of Dr. Bikram Rongpi, CEM of KAAC, had issued a show cause notice to Bikram Rongpi, Ranger, and Renuka Terangpi, Beat Officer, on 16th of September. The serial number of show cause notice sent to Bikram Rongpi is A/KAE/show cause notice /2022 to 2023/357 and A/KAE/show cause notice /358 to Renuka Terangpi. As part of the notice, DFO Bikram East Division seeks explanation and clarification from both the accused by 22nd September. News Desk report for Bikram Live.